Lily plants a little tree. What are these things? Do you know what they are? This is a watering can. This is a shovel. And this is a small plant. Hello, Lily. What are you doing today? Oh, you are going to plant a tree. How will you plant it? First, dig a hole in the ground. Well done, Lily. Now, put the little plant in the hole. No, from the root side. Yes, that's perfect. Good job, my dear. Now, let's cover the root with soil. Wonderful! But Lily, the tree needs other things too, so it can grow big and strong. It's just like us. The plant needs water. It also needs the warm, beautiful sunshine. And it needs fresh air. Great work, Lily. That's amazing. Now, we will wait until the tree grows. It grows just like us. Well done, Lily. See you next time.